Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password. In case you forgot, in case someone who has hacked by someone's. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery password, recovery phone number, so that easily you can rescue it. And then, how do you rescue it? Don't worry, we will generate new alternative options to rescue efforts. How is it possible? This ID has been recommended at the morning times on today, especially by one viewer who has lost his special device and due to losing of his device now. He's not in the position to the rescue has a special Gmail password now. So there is a lot of the data and the privacy concerns. So of course we'll rescue and the will deliver. So how it is possible? See here, by common method when we attempted, it's essential that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really. Yeah, so if you would like to recover, then answer his question. So and the second is that alternative email. If it is added, there is no alternative email, but phone number is added. It's a verified ID. So how would I escape up to the phone number, and how can I go the inside of it and special to the rescue of it? We'll see especially. Yes, Google will give us it as best alternative options to the rescue it. How it is? Simply just we will cut it from here and we will come in a Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we will have to write here. Scarcely 3 MB of the total sizes, especially of this browser. Just we will go for here. Yes, via fast and light browser. So when we go for installation of it, see here, total size of this is scarcely I'm 2 MB. So just to quickly we will go for. Now here, on the other hand, of course, we will come in a special Google products and in the Google products should hold a special MG browser, and we will come in a special setting to of course we will have to and a notification app info to notification we will have to make it off. Then we will come to permissions too. So take any smartphones, apply a similar study and see how magically it can be recovered. Of course we will tap store to make it the precise location of tap on it especially no longer the function isn't, and for time being I'm doing it guys. So that's all, don't worry. After that of course you can reset off the browser, no problem at all. Now free affirmations, and that is already here off. So these things you will have to also especially make it off. So we will back here and yes, we will come in one more time back and see step by step. You don't miss especially in a step the free permission and see the remove permission and the free of space. It's already off. Open by default, so it's already off length. So now this function is completely free of especially these applications. Now on the other hand, of course, we will come in. Check it out how many scan how many browser you are using. All browser you will have to apply a similar status, except recently you have downloaded that's a browser. So just we will come in the permissions to of course we will have to come in a free up space that make it off, and then of course we will come the locations too. We will have to make the precise location of make it especially no longer the function is intended. Of course we will come back and here just we will back here one more times. Notification is already off, so fine. So now can I had to once again we will have to come to Play Store to open it in this browser. So this has been, of course we will have to accept the term and condition. Fine, so when we have this accepted, so just we will tap on here Google Code.in. According to your the candidate of course you can approach here. So now that we come on here at the corner that we have options that is shining. Now here simply we will have to write here ID and upon Shri, it's not taken. This is the ID that we would like to the rescue of it. So my viewer was totally worried guys. So let's see now how it is possible. We'll click on a forgot password because we are having this kind of the problems on that. Now it is especially this phone number, especially this phone, and maybe especially links from that, and so just we will tap on here, try to next options. Yes, we will go for here last password. We don't have a password, so we have also option alternative try another way. Then of course here is a verified ID that I have already mentioned to you. This is the last phone number 2 digits of. If we don't have the phone numbers due to losing option devices which now it doesn't have, so we cannot text or call. So here is option also given that we don't have a phone. If you don't have the phones, and then what will happen? Answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where we have to sign in before in the same navigation. That's why I had already made of precise location, guys. So use a device where we have to sign the before and that at the special and the more tips to other risk of this account. So this is option is coming. Alternative email is also options, but more tips to others could buy that we will go for it. So especially we will cut it from here. Don't try again, so otherwise this account may be freeze. So for time being, because you're not trying to others on this account by especially on the Google browsers, as we know that in this in the product of Google. So that's why I'm saying yeah, just we will come in a special alignment. Now we'll come in a special alignment setting to of course here. We will have to especially come in the Google services and preferences. Google will assist you automatically especially to the rest of it. So we will tap on it, especially the help option. When we tap on the help options here, we will have to make it the problem that is especially hacked Gmail recovery, and see how easily especially Google will rescue from this area. Now that we are on here, secure, hacked or the compromised Gmail accounts. When we tap on it, and this page will be open. So now there is options that review your account activities, where it is review your account activities. Now here is a find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. Now this page will be transferred just these steps to other risk of it. So when we tap on it, so now see here step by step, watch carefully. Take any smartphone, scan the Omni browser, apply a similar status, then go with the recently that you have downloaded by that, especially simple. And here is especially account recovery page, but confirm it's that we are on a page that create a replacement Google account. This option is given, and about getting locked out of your Gmail accounts, except to especially there should be no any options where is account recovery. Tap on it, and when would be tapped, and then direct would be a transfer to the recovery page. When we tap on here, this area automatically will be recovered, and when we tap on here to next, and see here how easily it has been recovered, guys. See, yes. Now not required of any the recovery email and the recovery forms, but when you tap on a continue, then would be trapping it. So verify option, you don't have the recovery phone number, and then there was added it's a verified ID show. Make it a smartly decision. Tap on update password, so directly we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, write a password, confirm password, and upon of course go for save it. After save it, we will have to go in a Google account management in there security options, add a firstly alternative email, and then we can remove the old recovery phone number was added that, and add a new phone number, so this ID will be permanently secure, guys. So this is all about it. Further we cannot show you because this is a privacy concern that my viewer was totally worried especially, so the finally it hasn't recovered. So if you are unable to execute, and if you think so that we have the easily customized to the risk of that in the system on the systems, and then of course you can drop your email, we will give you after rescuing. So don't worry, guys. But you should have no any especially problem that if I disclose on this channel in the public domains, and this is only for institution purpose, and don't misuse this drugs, guys. So this is all about. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Thank you for staying the till then of this tutorials. Hey, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with step by step new tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. It really supports the channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed.